The plan with the car is, if it survives the winter, I would really like to use it in at least one event.
Super happy with this car. Yeah, happy that it's back.
Okay, so thank you very much, and I suppose next time you will see us, we'll be using this bad boy on the streets.
I don't even know how to start it, so I'm just gonna show you the car. This is the state of things. No, pojedziemy z Bugiem, nie? Yeah, it was nice. It was nice having this car for one day.
Podłużnice pokrzywione. Pojechałem na Sosnowiec. 95!
Bugi! Don't bully my car. Wow, this guy. Basically, I forgot to say that we had a bit of fire situation after the crash, so we had to use the fire extinguisher to put the fire down. But also later we're gonna talk about what happened, because I didn't say what happened.
We'll explain in a moment. For now, we don't have that much time in this friend's garage, so...
Yeah, because there's another situation that our garage is not really accessible at the moment, because we are putting a new floor. There's a new concrete, so... yeah, we need to use the friend's garage. Thank you, Boogie, thank you! That was so good, Boogie.
we can still fix it.
What, this?
Yeah. Easy fun. This is in Russia, this would be new. For a lot
situation is, boom, boys with Boogie as a bossman and those two as helpers. The boys have cut out all the front end to see the damage. Engine looks like it's gonna be fine. It's just obviously the frame is bent. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is bent pretty bad, but nothing that can be repaired.
We will put the car for professional restoration after 6 years.
Yeah. I'll go to one event quickly, you know, we have an event in what, 3 months, 2 months? One event, quick fix, but then after we take it to real mechanic, yeah?
Real.
Right?
Same as we did with E36,
yes? Because E36 now is good, you know, it's properly good.
So basically we need to cut out a bit more and then decide what do we do with the frame. Probably gonna have to cut out the front ends and then have someone who can fabricate it for us. Before anyone's gonna say that we do those crashes on purpose, trust me, no, we don't. Trust me.
Sam, you can put on a video the other car, what happens to the other car.
Yeah, we basically
Basically, the way it was, we were drifting in a spot. Basically, I just felt like I wanted to drive a bit more, and there was way too many people for it. And at the end of the road where we're supposed to turn around, I didn't slow down, the other guy didn't slow down exactly, so we just went straight onto each other.
And obviously, you know who was in the second car on the passenger seat? This guy.
95!
So yeah, the other car, Lada, looks even worse. Then after the crash, we had a little bit of smoke and a bit of a fire under the hood, so we just used a fire extinguisher, and this is the result. Yesterday we were all super sad, but now we just get to work and yeah, need to fix what we broke. Yeah, also, Bozo was sitting inside on the passenger seat and his head smashed the window. Bozo, why did you own me new window, man?
Sorry, mister. I just...
Maybe contact the guy at the window.
Okay, now we laugh about what happened yesterday, but after the crash we get out of the cars, and after a couple seconds of shock everyone was very upset of the situation, because cars are just cars. No one's gonna cry about crashed car or broken car, but the impact was big and this could end up much worse than it did. Of course, this all is very reckless, and the risk of touching or hitting another car is pretty high, and we all know that. Happily, no one got hurt. We had the seatbelts on. It wasn't that bad after all. The cars are damaged, but they're gonna get repaired. But again, this is the risk we all take. About the E30, those cars are not super popular and cheap anymore, so the parts are pretty hard to find. Comparing to like E46s, E36s, but I think in a couple days we can collect all the parts, and then we're gonna try to make the car straight, install all the parts. The title says cursed E30 because yeah, broken engine last time and then rebuild, and now this. Honestly, I'd like to use this car more by being behind the wheel than by repairing it, but this is life once again. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.